There's a couple of Otis Series 1 elevators in this building, but I do not know where the hell they are. They're just hidden away somewhere. But we got this Kone that was installed sometime in the mid-2010s. And that'll take us up to this year-round patio that's open. Privately owned public space. And unfortunately, there's a camera. There's a brand new entrance for the Line 5 station.
Move. Going down.
Go back down to the bottom. And I'll show you guys the view. This place used to look extremely different like 10 years ago. This wasn't here. There's a lot of like major storefronts. They're no longer here.
B1.
Like if you go on Google Street View, you can totally see that the whole freaking place has changed.
Going up. First floor. Going up.
That's the view looking east. And you can see that the intersection has reopened after 6.5 years of this construction shit. I mean, obviously there's still a lot of more work to be done, but
Going down.
it looks better than than it used to. Yeah, so as you can see here, you're free to like walk at any direction as you're crossing. And looks like they're adding bike lanes here. It's very similar to what they're doing just west of Yonge. Not that I really do agree with it. I remember when there used to be an entrance of a subway station right before that TD building took over. Well, actually, there has been a TD on this corner, but this is like a rebuilt location and got condos, of course, on top of it. And that's where the Burger King used to be, of course. Again, just go on Google Street View, check the time machine. You'll just see how much has changed over the past 10, 12 years. And you can see the ventilator for the Line 1 subway. Now we'll go outside. I'll show you a pretty good view. Again, this is a privately owned, publicly accessible space provided by RioCan, which owns this entire development. I am technically not allowed to be doing this, but it's okay. People have done this before. Now, I don't have my camera, obviously. I mean, it's in my bag, but I'm not using it, as you can tell. And there's the CN Tower, taken right behind the Canada Square complex. And again, there's the Line 5 LRT station. And there's still all that, and then there's the big-ass construction sites here. And I'm not sure what, oh, I think that might be a ventilator building, because I do see some grates there, right? This actually used to be a single-level bus terminal. It was which was original to the station when it opened in 1954, and then it was in 2003, 04 it closed, and then the bus terminal moved inside the complex there, which used to be the old Eglinton bus garage. But who knows? What will this entire space turn into when all of this construction is wrapped up? And that's the look southwest, and also that clock tower over there in the distance. That's the Upper Canada College. It's an all-boys private school. Unfortunately, there is no access into these. Ooh, almost slipped there. There's no access to get into these office buildings here, and then there's an emergency stairwell. And there's another one here. Southeast stairwell, but I don't really trust that though. I mean, it will definitely lead you out, but I'm gonna go back to where I came from. And it's just the beginning of rush hour, and these are all 354A buses making a long ass journey all the way to Star Spray. Actually, no, that's 254Bs. They're going as far as Oran Park, but the 54A is going all the way to like the very eastern end. It's a freaking long journey for Eglinton operators. They gotta make the long journey from here all the way to Star Spray. But when Line 5 opens, that's gonna be different because the route's gonna terminate at Science Center Station at Don Mills. Alright guys, thanks for watching and stay warm.